For Inside EVs, Volkswagen is responding to customer feedback. The automaker is reintroducing physical buttons due to consumer pushback. Volkswagen's move away from touch-only controls was unpopular. The new ID.2 All concept showcases a return to tactile buttons. This change follows criticism of Volkswagen's minimalist interior design. The ID.2 All features a row of backlit buttons and a manual volume knob. Volkswagen aims to improve the user experience and regain brand reputation. The exact release date and cost are not mentioned. Volkswagen is taking a step back to better connect with its customers. You are listening to Yuan News.